Good morning po sa inyong lahat. Kami po ang New Creations. Happy 26th anniversary, Newcom! Ako po si Aideen at ngayon kapapakilala ko po ang aking mga kasama. Sina Ate Adi, Ate Daniel po, Ate Jana, Ate Jerlyn at si Ate Kaida po.
So ayun po, nag-meet po kami every Sunday after gathering. Kaya if wala po kayong mga life group, pwede po kayong sumali sa amin. Welcome po kayo.
Nabili po namin Bible verse ay Psalm 91. Ang sabi po doon, whoever dwells in the shelter of the Most High will rest in the shadow of the Almighty. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress, my God in whom I trust. Napili po namin yan kasi parang as a reminder sa amin na kahit anong nararamdaman namin or napagdadaanan, nandyan siya lagi para sa amin.
We want to unplug to the worldly desires like the social media and bad influence. And we want to reconnect to God since we are the citizens of God's kingdom. And we would like to remind everyone that kahit nasa pinakababa na tayo ng life natin, we will always have our living.
Sasambahin ka sa